Hello and welcome back. I'm doing a voiceover on this part because I was basically talking nonsense. I had started this project with the peel and stick wallpaper, and I found this at Walmart for $16, so almost half off of the normal price. I'm talking a lot of nonsense, so again, voiceover. Enjoy the hilariousness. Alright guys, here is the before. Hot Mess Express. Yes, we do live here. And off I go, clearing off the unnecessary amount of sweaters that are on this coat rack. Like I said, we do live here. And yes, my pets, always around. So what you didn't see before this is me literally walking around the house for a good 20 minutes looking for my drill. Nowhere to be found. So I had to do everything with a little itty bitty screwdriver, which took forever. Wait, what? Sweep the walls? Yes, get that dust off and let's scrub up this little mess here that I have no idea what it is. So I kind of dove into this project without even thinking and didn't even have my ladder handy. I went to go grab it. Here we are going to start the project and peel. So heads up, when you start a project, be prepared. Don't be like me. I had to go get my X-Acto knife. Here I am totally reconsidering why it was coming out crooked. But I kept going nonetheless. Houston, we have a problem. So it's lined up there. But then as it goes down the wall, we get a bigger and bigger gap. So that's the problem at the moment. I'm not sure whether to keep going, leave it as is, or cut it. I don't really want to cut it, so I might just leave it. We're gonna keep going. So as you can see, this is not like normal wallpaper. This is contact paper. It took a little bit of time to try and line it up, which did not come out exactly lined up. Could have been user error because I'm very impatient and like to do things my way instead of reading instructions. I very roughly cut the bottoms and the top and still kept trying to line it up. As you can see, it took some repositioning and then just keep going. This is the end of the race line, the final two pieces. Time for some wind because this was the most difficult thing to line up and I couldn't get it to line up exactly. I cut off a small sliver, maybe about 4 inches, to get it to fit that corner in by the door. And once I cut off those 4 inches, I will bring them around to that gap that I had at the beginning to solve that problem. And finally go around and clean up your edges. Yay, we did it! Here is the final result, and I love it. Now I should record this again during the day because it is midnight as I am doing this. I live a rebel life. And here's a close-up of how uneven my lines are for these bricks, but you only live once and I've already put it up, so it is not coming down. As always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next DIY adventure.